How to delete debit card from Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete debit card from Cash App. Next, tap on the profile icon. It is this icon here at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. Here, there are various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. After that, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Come to this section here and tap this option named Linked Banks. After doing that, this page will appear. On this page, you will see all the banks and cards that are connected to your Cash App account. From them, make sure you tap on the card that you want to delete. After doing that, this menu will appear from the bottom of the screen, just like you can see here. There are two options here, where one is Remove Card while the other is Replace Card. Replace means the card details will be changed with newer card details, while Remove means the card will be deleted from your account. So go ahead and tap here, Remove. The card will then be deleted from your Cash App account. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to delete debit card from Cash App.